Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix your Bluetooth issue on the Samsung S24 FE. First of all, I will actually start from diagnostic feature. So you will have to open settings and start scrolling until you find device care. When you are here, go into the diagnostics. Wait for the loading screen, move for phone diagnostics. And you will have to go into Bluetooth, which is located here. So you can tap on it, accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen, and now your phone is actually checking your Bluetooth. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine, but you can also try to connect to some kind of the Bluetooth device like headphones or earbuds and test it again. But let's say that everything is fine, or let's say that you have some kind of the issue right here, then I will recommend you to simply go to the quick settings and redirect into the Bluetooth and simply switch this off and switch this on back. If it is not working, simply do the same with your phone. So restart your phone. If it is still not working, then I can recommend you to go for the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the general management, and you will have to go for a reset. In this place, you will have to navigate for the reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings, and simply click on this button to bring back all the default settings of the Bluetooth. If it is still not working, then you can try to perform the factory data reset of your phone. This is an ultimate way to fix this issue. And yeah, that will be all. Tell me if some of this tip works for you. Thanks for watching.